Hey guys, it's Dr. Different here. Where the hell am I right now? I'm at the farm. But I know it's me. But I know I've not been doing daily videos in the farm recently because I'm supposed to be filming myself, but I wanted to do it anyway. But by the time being, I will do a bit more filming, but somewhere else. I'll be doing it in the woodwork and see what I'm gonna make. Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, you see this? This is a charity box that I've made full of magazines, but this is like the big coffee container. I've cut a hole in it. There's some money in there, not a lot, just a couple of pences, but it looks absolutely good. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to save money for Glenfield Hospital. As you guys know, it's closing down. If you live in the UK, then you might know that it is closing down, and it's government's choice. I don't go with governments, don't know, don't care. But still, I just want to save the hospital, because the hospital has been there for me ever since I was a 2-day-old. I mean, come on, if you guys think about it, I want to do it not just for me, but for a lot of people who have been in the Glenfield Hospital, and also for the charity as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and put this back. Guys, look at these coats that I've made today. These are fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Is that recording now?
Yeah, it is recording. Right. Hey guys. You just caught me on the workshop. What I'm doing is what I did about 2 weeks ago. I was thinking of making my own play button, but I have a different idea for this. I mean, I've still got this, which is the play button, but you can't see the play button signature on, but okay. What I was thinking of doing for my room, because I want to make it as a little studio, is to make like a YouTuber frame of YouTubers that I like, and put it in my room when it's done. But what I'm doing is I'm staining this. I'm also staining the inside as well. So I will let you guys know what else I'm doing after when I've done this. Go crack on. Yeah. Look at this, guys. I can't get rid of that green stuff. That's just the back of it. This is the front. And then over there, you've got the play button. And lastly, you've got the front of the frame, which has not been used yet. This is done by accident. This has. But what I'm going to do is put pictures on this of my favourite and popular YouTubers. That includes PewDiePie, KSI, Comedy Shorts Gamer, everyone. Not everyone, but some of my favourites as well. But all in all, it looks great. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a like, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, see a doctor. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.